Model, 2018 Renault Master Lh35 Energy 2.3 DCI starts drives easy repair Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 233,910. MOT, the 8th of June 2026. Engine, 2298 CCM 90-145 Energy E6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Error codes for MAF sensor. Check engine light on the dash. The mass airflow sensor has been replaced but the fault code does not disappear. Must have some kind of wiring issue. Simple repair if you know what you're doing. Engine, clutch, gearbox are perfect. Grin. Condition summary.